What's up, Cardano fam? Luckside here. Hope you're having a great week so far. Cardano looks like it is possibly ready to turn around and make a move to the upside. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Okay. So, if you've watched my videos, I'm not a huge TA guy, but I do some technical analysis. Not quite as in-depth as this, but I can at least walk you through some of this stuff as far as what's going on. So Cardano, as we know, if we look at the last month or so, it's been basically a big sell-off during that time. We've had this big, consolidation period. A lot of people, taking profits. There were some good pumps during that time, and we've now gotten down to these points where we've almost gotten back and tested the yearly low again. Okay, so we ended up hitting, I believe, all the way down at 42.4 or something like that, 42.1, somewhere in there. Now, this article has gone through and talked about how Cardano has recovered at that 42.5 level and indicating that buyers are back, which makes sense because, like I said, Cardano's gone through this huge correction during this time. I mean, it's dropped about, 16% or so. So this is a very big turnaround, okay? Because there hasn't been much that's been bad during this time. I mean, we've obviously gotten a few bad reports and stuff like that, but there's been a lot of good things that have happened for Cardano in that same period of time. So you'd expect to see some sort of balance there, okay? And that just hasn't been the case as of late, right? It's not sure whether it's been just people unimpressed, just the market having complete control right now, which kind of more seems to be the case because you see it amongst even other things that are having good news coming out too. So people they are expecting now that ADA may break out of its current, price area. And it could end up going up and retesting some of these levels. So it's saying that the next stop for us could actually end up being 47.2. And if it manages to clear that, it could run up all the way to 50.5 cents. And then it could actually end up getting all the way up to 53. So that's actually a huge price movement. I mean, that's like 26%, 25%, somewhere in there. That'd be a huge extension to the upside. I mean, we'd be all the way back up here again. That'd be a big wick. Now, I'm not sure how long it would actually take to get there, but it does note to say that if Cardano fails to stay above 42.5, it will denote weakness, and we could end up dropping down to some of those lower levels. So we could end up dropping again down to like 41 something, or back even down into the 38, which is a big level that they've talked about before. And obviously, if you're looking to buy, you'd obviously like the lower price points. Okay. If you're looking to, hold on long term or sell or, something like take profits, then you're obviously hoping it goes to the upside. There's always going to be people on both sides of it, right? But, based on what I'm seeing, I mean, if we look at the 7-day chart here, we can clearly see that there might be some sort of reversal forming here, which would obviously be great. I think the whole market needs probably like a week or so of just recovery, just, some happiness. Okay. And we can see even, on the daily, at least the time I'm making this video, market's up about 3%. Bitcoin's back up almost above 20K. Ethereum's at about 13.5. So really good things starting to form currently. Don't forget though, we do have a big date coming up. I believe it's October 13th. We're supposed to be getting that next CPI report. So we'll find out if these increased interest rates, have, affected inflation at all. Hopefully they have, because, if we can see something positive there, it may springboard us, leading all the way up to, November 3rd, I believe, where they're supposed to have the next Fed meeting. So big stuff happening, guys. Cardano chart's looking good right now. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. I'm just reporting on what I'm seeing here and obviously what other people are seeing too. This is what we're currently in, and this is where we may end up going back up and testing. So take that how you will. As always, I recommend you do your own research because, that's the only way you can stay updated and informed. And that way you can keep luck on your side, just like me. So hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. Appreciate you stopping out as always. And again, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. It'll keep you updated anytime content goes live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I really hope to catch you in the next video. Take care, guys.